Okay, so first of all, let us discuss about what it means by self. Self is a very complex concept, very complex notion, very complex idea, you can say. If you try to search on internet, then you will find that there are more than 80 terms which are related with self. I mean, there are different concepts which are related with self. What it means by self. So, self here means, according to psychology, whatever definition that we often talk in psychology, according to that definition, self means a cluster of experience, a kind of set of experience, a kind of totality of experience which we conceive to be related with ourselves. For example, if I ask you, what is yourself? You can tell me about your relationship. You can tell me in terms of your role that you are a student of this university, you like this particular subject, you are sister of this particular person, you are brother of this particular person, you are daughter of that person, and you belong to this place, you have a liking for this particular kind of, so you are relating with your, whatever self, whatever you conceive about yourself, in that you are having some set of experience. To certain particular thoughts, you are having some degree of affection. To certain others, you are having some degree of disliking. You are loving someone, you are loving certain things, and you are hating certain things. So that is your self. So if there would be no self, then there would be no possibility of, you can say, oneness in our experience. We always feel as to be one. We never feel ourselves to be many. Why? It is only because of our development of self. We conceive, we feel, we experience, we think that we are someone, one. Okay? So that means what? It is self which makes us autonomous. It is self which makes us singular. It is self which makes us, or which provides unity in our experience. So in this way, today we discuss about different aspects of notion of self. Whatever experiences that we have, in the definition of self, there can be certain cognitive aspect, there can be certain affective aspect, there can be certain behavioral aspect. Thank you. Thank you so much. बंद करो यार, छोटा छोटा हमें वीडियो बनाना है यार.